Let's make a balloon dragon for the year of dragon. Please welcome in God of Wealth, action!
Start by pumping up your 260 chrome gold balloon and tie a knot. Make a pinch twist, and a loop twist, and another loop twist. This makes the cheeks of the dragon. Now make a 6 centimeter bubble, a pinch twist, and another 6 centimeter bubble and tie it back to the first pinch twist you made. This makes the lower jaw of the dragon. Now to make the upper jaw of the dragon, make an 8 centimeter bubble, a pinch twist for the nostril, a 3 centimeter bubble, another pinch twist for the nostril, then one 8 centimeter bubble and tie it back to the head. Now make a 5 centimeter bubble, a pinch twist, and a 5 centimeter bubble, and using the remaining, tie it into the back pinch twist, or if your balloon is too long, you can cut it off and tie a knot. This makes the back of the head of the dragon. Now pump up your 260 white balloon and tie a knot. Tie this white balloon onto one of the cheeks and make a 5 centimeter bubble and twist it into the top pinch twist on his head. Then make one more 5 centimeter bubble and twist it back onto the face through the cheek. This makes the eyeballs of the dragon. You can now cut off the rest of that balloon and tie a knot.
NSA Music.
Now pump up your 160 white balloon, or if you don't have a 160, you can use a 260 balloon. And tie a knot. Twist this balloon into the back of the head through the cheek. We're going to start making his teeth. Start from the lower jaw. Make two 2 centimeter bubbles, then tie it into the pinch twist. Then make 2 more 2 centimeter bubbles, and twist the balloon onto the cheek. Now onto the upper jaw. Make 3 2 centimeter bubbles, and twist it onto the pinch twist. As you can see, there's 2 teeth on the bottom and 3 teeth on the top. Now make 2 2 centimeter bubbles for the front teeth. Then make 3 2 centimeter bubbles to complete the teeth in the dragon's mouth. And twist the rest of the balloon into the cheek. So as you can see, there's 3 teeth on the top. You can now cut off the rest of that balloon and tie a knot. Now we're going to make its horns. Pump up a silver chrome 260 balloon and tie a knot. Make a 3 cm bubble, a pinch twist, and a 4 cm bubble and tie it onto the top pinch twist on its head. This makes one horn. Now make a 4 cm bubble, a pinch twist, and make sure they're the same size, and make a 3 cm bubble to make its other horn. You can now cut off the rest of that balloon and tie a knot. Now we're going to make the dragon's whiskers. You can, 1, push the air from the nozzle into the end to make the balloon stiff, or you can pump up a little bit of air into the balloon and release it. So there's a little bit of air in the balloon, so the balloon is now stiff. Tie a knot at the nozzle and cut the nozzle off. Now, tie the yellow balloon onto the nostrils. And make sure to hide the middle on the top jaw.
NSA Music.
Now onto its body. Pump up your gold 260 chrome balloon and tie a knot. Make a 15 cm bubble. Now make a 3 cm bubble, a pinch twist, a 2 cm bubble, another pinch twist, and a 3 cm bubble, and twist it into the middle of the 15 cm bubble. This makes a claw for the dragon. Now we're going to make another one, a 3 cm bubble, a pinch twist, a 2 cm bubble, another pinch twist, and a 3 cm bubble back into the middle. Now we have a set of claws. Now squish the balloon to give it a little bit of shape. Now pump up your last gold chrome 260 balloon and tie a knot. We're going to make a second pair of claws. Make a 3 cm bubble, a pinch twist, a 2 cm bubble, another pinch twist, a 3 cm bubble, and twist it to the end of the balloon. Pick a 3 cm bubble, a pinch twist, a 2 cm bubble, another pinch twist, and one last 3 cm bubble to complete the set of claws. You can now cut off the rest of the balloon and tie a knot. Now to attach this pair of claws onto the body, make sure the two pairs of claws are the same size. Twist a 13 cm bubble onto the body and twist the claws into that 13 cm bubble. So now your two sets of claws are on the body. Squish the tail of the balloon to give it a little bit more shape. Now to attach the body to the head. Tie the nozzle of the body to the back pinch twist of the dragon's head. And the twisting part is complete. Now using a black marker, draw in and color in some eyes. And your golden dragon balloon is complete.
Apple Balloon Dragon. If you like my channel, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.